Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video you are going to learn how to append a text to an existing file using FileWriter. Follow my steps. Inside the current folder I already have a file with the name myfile.txt. Do the same in your machine. After that type Jshell. You must have installed Java 11 or above. With the /imports, you can see all the packages ready to use. Good. To store the location of the file inside a string variable, you can use the system.getProperty to get the folder plus the name of the file. Then you have to create a new file instance where inside the constructor parameter you have to put the location of the file, meaning the content of the file path. Now you can create the FileWriter instances. Inside the constructor parameter you have to specify the file and the value true. Good. In the end, you are ready to append a new content inside the file using the method write provided by FileWriter. Before checking the content of the file, don't forget to type FileWriter.close. If you take a look at the file myfile.txt, you should see the content added using the FileWriter. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to my channel to be always updated about new videos that I will upload, and see you in the next one. Bye.